Hello friends, in this video I will show how to adjust table cell width and height in Google Docs. So firstly insert table. So right click on any cell, then click on table properties. Now here you will see these all options. Quick layout, you can select any layout. Here guys, click on cell. Click on table properties. Here you will see the option table. You can change margins from document here. You can change column width. You can increase or decrease. You can change row, minimum row width, minimum row height, and maximum. Like this. And there are some more options you can apply here. Cell padding you can change here. And color.